Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Leo. So if you are a sun, moon, rising or your Saturn is sitting in the sign of Leo, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the Two of Pentacles. So a lot of you are handling multiple projects. You are doing a lot of things at the same time, and that's kind of like, and despite doing a lot of things, having a lot of things on your plate, it does seem like um, the finances may not be very stable. They might not be very level, so your amount that you are making is not equal to the amount of cash flow that is going out of your pocket at the moment. The next card that I have for you guys is the High Priestess. Now the High Priestess card, coming up here, it's telling you to take a pause, to really evaluate what you are doing and whether all these things that you are doing are going to bring you result or not. Now for some of you, I do believe that you guys might either be in healing work, or you might be light workers or something. It's not applicable for all, it's only applicable for a few of you. Um, but what is happening right here is you're doing a lot of things, and the High Priestess, you have this inner voice telling you that there are certain things that you should not be doing, but you are still doing it because you're unsure of what would happen if you stop them, or what would happen if you say no to them. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Death card, which is telling me you're going to be very exhausted. Like, you might be feeling very exhausted, and it is time that listen to your intuition and end something. The Death card represents some kind of end is needed. You need to get out, you need to get rid of something that's causing you trouble and that's not letting you move ahead. Let's see what other cards we are getting for you. Guys, don't forget to check your readings by your date of birth. They have already been posted. Love readings have been posted. The next card that I have for you guys is the Devil card. So you're being a lot of you are being overworked. So I do feel like you have been working like a maniac, despite your intuition telling you that it's not good for you. You've been working like a maniac. It's like going over and over and over again, and you are unable to break the chains. Like, you're unable to stop it. I do feel like for some of you, you're having a hard time saying no to all this work that is coming towards you. It's also applicable for people who are staying at home. Though I do see finances coming, but I don't see finances coming in such a way that satisfies you. The next card I have for you is the Nine of Pentacles. So Nine of Pentacles tells me you feel confident, you feel happy because you have all these things to do. But if you think about it logically, it's not a lot of money, you're not making a lot of money, but the sense of pride, the sense of confidence is very high. And at the bottom of the deck, I have the Hangman card, which tells me that whatever it is that you are seeking, that you require, needs patience. You have to let go of the situation. Like, you have to stop the expectations from this situation. Only then can you move forward. So because you're doing too many things, don't expect that somebody is going to come and somebody is going to appreciate you for it, because I'm not seeing it. Though that's how it should be done, but I don't see it, and that's where you have to kind of let go of the expectation. The next card that I have for you guys is the Three of Swords. I'm not going to lie, whatever it is you're doing, whatever you are planning in terms of your career, in terms of your finances, despite handling too many jobs, something is going to leave you disappointed. Like, you're going to have the sense of feeling towards the end of the month where you'll be like, oh my god, I was hoping for a lot more, but I've been unable to reach that point. The next card that I have for you guys is the Ten of Pentacles. So I think despite this, maybe what is going to happen is you're going to get an opportunity from a different area altogether. So despite all these multiple jobs or a lot of things, or that you have been doing, there's going to be a sense of disappointment because you couldn't get what you wanted, which was appreciation. But overall, on the financial side, if I have to say, I think you're going on the right path. You are making sure that you are in a better place, and in the future you are going to be in a better place. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Sun card, which tells you a very, very positive thing. Now this is the overall reading. Now let's look at these cards because they seem to be very contradicting. You have the death card, which is all about darkness, and then you have the sun card, which is all about optimism and brightness, and then you have the hangman, which talks about patience, which talks about, letting go of expectations. Now, for a lot of you, I do feel like, only when you hit the bottom, you hit the pitch dark area of your life where you feel like, oh my god, nothing is working, when you get those anxiety and panic attacks, that lowest point in your life, all you have to do is believe. I know I'm sounding a little philosophical, but all you have to do is have faith that everything will work out, and give up on the expectations. As long as you give up on the expectations, I think you are going to go places. For some of you, I also see, you might have to travel because of the death card and the sun card, so travel seemed prominent for you guys. But yeah, like the overall reading is nice. It's just that I think in comparison to the other zodiacs, you guys are going a little slow. From the Moonology Oracle deck, it's a time for healing. Remember when I said the High Priestess is a time to, go into stagnation, go inside and figure out. And again, you are having the time for healing. The next card that I have for you guys is Conclusions Are Within Reach. See, Eclipse. Full moon eclipse. What did I say? The death. It's too much darkness. And then you have the sun, contradictory. So, yeah, that is the reading for you. Something is coming to a conclusion, but make sure you take care of your mental health because it seems like you guys have been doing a lot of things. Let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check out your other readings. I'll see you guys next time.